meets with German Chancellor today, discusses trade, defense, technology, key MOUs on semiconductors, Ayurveda and higher education, signed with a joint declaration on defense. Now, a new ambassador, US ambassador to India has taken charge. Sergio Gore takes charge and says that India-US actively is engaging on trade deal, and the next call on trade will be likely tomorrow. MEA says India continues to engage with Germany over baby Ariha Shah. Prime Minister Modi has raised the matter with German Chancellor, assuring full support to the family. Baby Ariha was taken by German foster care, claiming that the Indian parents were unfit to take care of their child. After a probe, these allegations were dropped, but the child still remains in foster care. The Fare Fixation Committee has recommended a fare hike for Namma Metro amid rising costs and network expansion. BMRCL says no decision has been made as yet, and any revision will consider public interest. TMC MP Mahua Moitra at the Kolkata Club Debate 2026 says, or rather asks, should Hinduism be protected from Hindutva? She says a Hindu practitioner can envision love between Hindus and Muslims, while a Hindutva extremist would call it love jihad. ISRO's PSLV C-62 mission encounters anomaly during third stage. Launch vehicle misses intended orbit, leading to the loss of all 16 satellites. US President Donald Trump posts an image on Truth Social, calls himself the acting president of Venezuela, incumbent January 2026, alongside his US titles. The unusual claim there, styled like a modified Wikipedia page, comes after recent US military action and the capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. Spate of Hindu killings continue in Bangladesh. Awami League leader and musician Praloy Chaki dies in jail custody after suffering cardiac arrest. Family accuses authorities' negligence. Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadha spent a day at the as a Blinkit delivery rider, swapping his political attire for the signature yellow uniform. AAP MP highlighted the gig workers' plight, their long hours, low pay, sharing his own experience on social media post, acting like a gig worker for a day.